You searched how to buy shares of Alibaba Health Information Tec, a healthcare technology and online pharmacy company. It trades on the HKEX under the ticker 00241. HK. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you'll normally verify your identity with an ID and add funds before you can place an order. On the platform, use the search box and type the ticker 00241 HK to find Alibaba Health Information Tec. Make sure you select the HKEX listing that matches that ticker. Open the asset page to review the company summary and the price chart. Confirm the company name, HKEX listing, and the ticker 00241 HK to ensure it's the correct stock. Click Investor Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next available session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once the trade is executed, the position will appear in your portfolio view. If you want to follow the same steps, the eToro link is in the description.